In SOLIDWORKS 2023, when applying the thickness of a sheet metal part, there's a new Symmetric option. This is especially beneficial when it comes to the tools required to manufacture the part. When the material thickness is applied in a single direction, the bends on the inside and outside will have different radius values. In this case, the inside radius is 1.5 inches, and the outside radius is 1.3 inches. The difference being the thickness of the material, 200 thousandths. We use the new Symmetric option. The material is applied equally in both directions. So now when we measure, the inside radius is 1.4 inches, and the outside radius is also 1.4 inches. This could reduce the tooling required to bend this part, saving both time and money. Thank you.